What's good? Welcome to another video. From the screen, you can see that we're going to be going over Chainlink. Right now, it is up about 10.81% on the day. In this video, I'm going to go over the technical analysis of this cryptocurrency pair and basically break down the candlestick patterns and moves and give an analysis on how you could have caught this upward move today, this 10% move today, and give a sort of a prediction on where I see price going in the future. Okay, so if that's something that you're interested in, stick around and for sure hit the like button. It really helps with the channel. And enough shilling, let's get into the video. We're gonna hop on the trading view and let's go on the daily time frame. Okay, so right now it is 8:17. The daily candle just closed about an hour ago at 7 o'clock my time Eastern, and right off the bat we can see this beautiful full thick bullish candle close off of after price has successfully basically found support off of this area and engulfed all this price action to the left, right? And from that happening, obviously, well, personally I would like to see another bullish candle closing above this area and basically signifying that the bulls have re-entered, or at least support has actually been found, because right now we still are, even though we found support and we pushed above the support after playing around this area, price can still tomorrow come back down, right? And we could just be stuck in the consolidation range and just move sideways. Okay, so that's why I would want to see one more bullish candle out of this area. Especially I would love to see it closing above this level right here, and if that occurs, I can I guess more confidently I can confidently say that the next area that price can go is about here, around $17.30. Okay, but let's drop on the 4 hours so we get some more detail and give a more detailed analysis, right? Because today is Monday, which means the weekly candle just closed yesterday. So actually, let's go over that. Right, so like I said, the weekly candle closed yesterday, Sunday, and from as you can see, price tried to push down, but the bulls came back in and forced it back up off of the support area, and we see that is signified by this wick. This wick means that price at one point was all the way down here, you know, making like not all-time lows, but lows that we haven't seen since last year around this exact time, to be fair, right? So if when Sunday come back around and we actually close, if price were to close like this or even better, then yes, we can say the price is ready to push. I wouldn't say price is ready to push out, because this is the first bullish candle in the past three weeks, but that would be 4 weeks. But it is a good sign. It would be a good sign for continued bullish momentum, right? So enough with the macro. Let's zoom in some more and let's look at some micro information. Okay, so on the 4 hour, initially right off the bat, what I'm seeing is, along with the recent bullish activity, for you pattern traders out there, I see this inverted head and shoulder pattern, and from analyzing these crypto charts and just going over it, and I've been noticing how effective these head and shoulder patterns are, right? So that is a good sign if you are bullish on the pair. That to boot with the daily close of today, right? So what I'm saying right now is a good daily trade could possibly be to ride the bullish momentum of today's close, is a move probably at least to about $16, right? This is not investment advice. Throw my disclaimer out there, do your own research. This is just me going off of what I'm seeing right now. Okay, now how can that occur? That can occur possibly by price pushing up some more, and we could possibly see some sort of retest. Okay, personally, I would only, if I were to enter this bullish move to the upside, I would only enter after price actually gave me that sort of retest and signifying that it has found support, and entering off of a bullish reason to the upside, right? Why, you ask? Well, it's simple, because yes, I said this is price seems to be forming a inverted head and shoulder pattern. To confirm that move, we would need to see, which is kind of what happened. The first step of that is happening right now, which is the break of the neckline and some sort of retest, and then enter into the upside. Right, so be patient, okay? So essentially, if you see price, because even though price is here and it seems like it's bullishly closing above, this next candle can still engulf and price can still come down. Right, all like I've seen it all happen before, right? So right now I will wait on my, just be confident, well, be patient, and just wait for the correct signals, right? But as of now, price are showing some great bullish tendencies. It's just now you must wait for the bullish entry signals that confirm that price is ready to continue to the upside. Right, so we're now in the 1 hour time frame, and it's just more of the zoomed in picture than what we're seeing on the 4 hour. Okay, so as you can see, price has successfully broke above this these recent resistance right here to the left on the 1 hour, which is this area right here. Okay, so with price doing that, I'm trying to tell you, like, it's not far-fetched for price to come and possibly doing some sort of retracement. Could be shallow, could be deep. Okay, but the key thing here is, for on the bull side, would be price finding some sort of support, putting in a higher low, so to speak, and then riding, taking it from there to the new high or to the next zone, which would be, like I said, about $16. And if it does break above there, I would be looking at about $17, $17.50. Okay. Now that's it's like a daily move, not a daily move, a daily intraday trade, or you can even say that's like a multi-day trade, right? But if you want more of a daily intraday trade, some of that could be dropping down to the lower time frames, right? As you can see now on this 30 minutes, about to close in about 5 minutes, and you can already see prices, if it closes like this, would be an engulfing bearish candle to the downside, which could possibly be that the start of that retracement cycle that I've been speaking about. Okay, see, all as a trader, you have to, like, all your time frames correlate. Okay, it's a skill that you must master to just actually to flow with the market, right? The lower time frames make up the higher time frames, the lower time frame moves make up the higher time frame moves. Okay, and if you jump too quickly to the lower time frames, sometimes you would see that's when a lot of the fake outs tend to occur. But if you take too long on the higher time frames, that's when you see sometimes you get in the trade too late. So that it's a very it's something after time progresses that you figure out. Okay, and if you guys want me to do a video on time frame correlation, I'll be glad to do that. Just leave it in the comment section and I shall tackle that. Now, so far my predictions has been all for the bulls, but let's say if I'm wrong and price actually becomes bearish, what would that look like? Okay, what would that would possibly look like I said, a bearish engulfing candle probably occurring here, right? And price failing to find support, aka making a higher low, and possibly, or even find a higher low, right? But failing to break above this area again and forming a double top. Okay, so something like that can easily occur, right? Or, because don't forget, we are still in some uncertain times with this war going on, so that could also help bring some uncertainty to the market, and we could see price possibly consolidate more in this area, as it's been doing. If you look to the left, you can see that we've been doing that. So it's not, it wouldn't be far-fetched for it to continue. Okay, and like I said, if you look on the daily, but the weekly, we've had 3 bearish candles. Okay, so with that occurring, that means, like, even though we are seeing some great signs for bullish activity, unless some strong catalysts occur, we could like play around in this area before actually pushing higher to the upside, right? So just be patient, wait for your confirmations, and trade accordingly. All right, so that's the analysis. See you guys tomorrow.